everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications. Today we have a special guest on the video. She's never been in the vlogs before, but she kind of wanted to be in the vlogs, so I was like, you know what, let's go out, let's make a video. We're gonna hit the Malibu canyons, guys, and I think we're gonna go to Malibu and get some food and then hit the canyons back and get her reaction, because she doesn't really like going fast in cars and like speeding, this and that, especially like on the canyons. So it should be pretty dope to get a reaction on this, and I'm super excited. So stay tuned. I'm waiting for her to pull up. We outside the pad, as you can see.
For the GTS, no?
Yeah.
I love them.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
What's the power on these things?
With the water injection, it's 503.
503.
Yeah.
Damn. This thing is quick.
Yeah.
How much does this thing weigh?
You know what? To be honest, I'm not. I know it's like 3,000 pounds. It's 3,000 something. Yeah.
Holy shit.
It's pretty light.
I have a Datsun, right? It's a 280ZX.
Oh, okay, sick.
What is it called? I finally like finished it with my dad, but the thing has like 220 horsepower, but weighs less than 2,000.
Oh yeah, it's super light. Yeah.
It's pretty light. It's pretty quick, but damn, it does not look as good as this type of shit.
Thank you.
You got all the accents and everything. Looks
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
No, you're good.
You have a good one.
Thank you too. All right, guys.
No, Kevin, literally stop.
No, I swear. Are you shy?
Yeah.
Why are you shy?
Do I look nice?
Of course. All right, guys.
Okay, stop, Kevin.
You guys ready for the reveal?
Kevin, stop. Kevin, stop.
No, I'm
Can I
serious.
see how I look like in the camera first?
It's recording already.
Kevin, pause it. I want to see how I look first.
All right, you ready?
Surprise!
All right, guys. But before we go to Malibu, we're gonna hit the canyons.
Wait, where in Malibu are we going?
I don't know, McDonald's.
McDonald's? I'm going back home.
Picture of my car real quick so I can show you.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh shit, yeah, that's sick.
It's like I love this car, bro. Sorry, I know it's fucking
Orange
random,
too.
but
I have an orange car too.
It's the orange that is appealing.
Kevin,
Yeah.
stop. You're making...
What?
I can't deal with this.
What?
Literally.
All right, let's go. I was thinking like moon shadows.
Yeah.
You want to go there? The only thing is with moon shadows is they don't have a reservation until 5.
Do they have a bar area?
Yeah, they do have a bar.
Or do you go to the bar area in Nobu? I think like people like that more.
Where should we go, guys? Comment down below. Moon shadows or Nobu? Later. You too. You do look nice.
You're supposed to say it when you see me.
I said it in my mind.
No. How do I know what's going on in your mind? You have to say it out loud.
Okay.
You look lovely.
You look lovely. The best brakes in the game. You're on the car.
No, seriously, do not do that. Like, literally, this is not okay. Literally.
The guy's giving us a thumbs up in front of us.
Are you serious? There's nothing thumbs up.
He knows.
He knows what?
He knows where the GTS is.
My hair's like waving everywhere.
Oh no, it's just this.
Okay.
Tripping.
Don't worry.
Don't worry, guys. Canyon run is still happening.
It's okay.
What happened? Somebody turned. Oh shit.
What?
It was a bad accident. Somebody's like on the floor.
Ugh.
That's crazy.
That's why you have to drive safe.
Always. Look, F3, F80.
Wow. Is that your brother?
Yeah.
Your car brother?
feel like throwing up?
And my hair is just like... Look at the view. You go so fast, we can't even see the view.
I already have my view. It's you.
Literally, I need a break. Let's just
Is it?
stay at this red light for like a minute. Don't go when it's green because I need more time.
Okay, let me know. Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Absolutely love this canyon. It's one of the best canyons in Malibu. It's got 2 lanes, it's open. There's really like no traffic in this canyon. It's one of the best canyons. Like if I ever come to Malibu, I always take this canyon. It's just one of the best canyons to go on.
Who do you go with?
My homies and you. Just look how nice this view is. You got the nice canyons, the mountains, and you get the beach view down there. Super nice. Passenger Princess, how you doing? Good? You want to drive next?
Can I? Why are you laughing?
I don't know about that one.
You always let me try.
Oh, damn, burning me out in the vlogs. Say, should we let her drive?
Say yes. So we have really good content for you this Vlogmas. We're doing our best, so comment down below if you love it, and we'll keep it coming.
Wait, what ideas are we doing?
Oh, okay, let's go pick out the tree. We haven't picked out a Christmas tree
yeah,
yet.
that's right.
Oh, I want to bake cinnamon rolls so we can like stroll around like Trader Joe's, like show them the kind of things I buy. Oh, I want to build a snowman. That's always fun.
We gotta go to the snow.
Yeah, and then we'll like vlog the road.
The whole process
The
of
way
it?
to like Big Bear.
Yeah. Oh, we're going to Big Bear? We're going to
where
Big Bear,
else?
guys. All right. All right, guys. We finally made it down to the bottom of PCH. We're a little bit far, but it's all right because it's always a nice drive here on PCH. All right. Well, there's Nobu. I would take you to Nobu, but it's gonna be packed and we don't got reservations. We literally just be standing there if we don't, you know, have reservations. So, but don't worry. Soon I'll take you to Nobu for your birthday next year.
Next year? More like next week.
Damn, Rich! Look at that. It's packed.
I know, it's ridiculous.
I would love to go to Nobu. I like Nobu. Look, orange coconut. All right, guys, we made it to Moon Shadows. My boys over here taking care of me. They're gonna let me park right in the front, guys. We're just gonna dump the GTS like that on them. Look at that, guys. We right in the front of Moon Shadows. Sheesh. Not even the vet nor the G-Wagon got in the front, but we got the GTS right in the front. Shout out to the homies. Damn, look at the view we got, guys. It's a nice view. Ocean view. There's some food right now, some drinks. Rich wine.
Cheers.
Damn. Shit's fire, guys.
Wow, look at my view. Look at this.
That shit does look fire. Damn, this looks good. Look at this view. Shit, nice. All right, you ready?
Hold on 1 second, I give you all your time. Oh, put your drink back.
Oh my.
You're supposed to look at each other for good luck.
I was looking at the vlog. All right. So we got a chicken Caesar salad. And then I think we're good with just that, maybe. Might get dessert later, I don't know. We'll see. Take more. Take more. Damn, drink number 2? That's nice.
Yup.
What is it, chocolate milk? You guys see that boat all the way over there? I want to be on that boat. Cheers.
Cheers.
Rich, valet in the front. Shout out to the homies.
I see you soon.
Alright guys. It's time to go to a sick little view that I know of. Look at this view, guys. Shit's hella nice. You see like all of like Malibu. Yeah, this view is hella nice. Probably one of my favorite spots to come and just chill. You can see all of like Santa Monica all the way over there. And then you can see all of PCH Road through there and all that. Super nice. Look at that, that fool's just digging right there.
Take a cute video of me with that. Like on this side.
What?
Like,
the camera?
go like,
this?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
See, let me see.
It's always good, yeah, check it out. Alright, little Q&A. What's your favorite part about being in my car?
My favorite part about being in your car, I mean, usually I'm not a fan of BMWs, to be honest with you guys. I'm not. But, like, it's just like a car that fits you well, and, you know, when I'm in it, this car, like,
Yeah.
even though I don't really like BMWs, like, it's fun.
Yeah.
Like, and you go fast, and it's like not, it is scary, but it's like not really scary.
Yeah,
like, you know
yeah.
what I mean? And it's just like here and there. Like,
Yeah.
I couldn't always be in it,
Yeah.
but like here and there, it's like.
Is it comfortable? Like, do you feel comfortable or no?
Well, the reason I don't like BMWs is
Yeah.
because I don't think they're comfortable. But I guess like I'm a little comfy in here.
Yeah.
I don't like how like.
Yeah, what don't you like about this car?
I don't
Tell
like
me what you
this this like thing.
What?
Like
The
what?
little pull strap there?
Yeah, like I don't want to
Why?
like close the door with this. Like this is weird.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, can you do it with the handle too? No.
No,
It's,
the
like,
handle's
weird.
only to
It's,
open.
like,
Yeah, I
makes it
know.
feel weird. I don't like that. I just like I feel like the seat could be like more
Comfortable?
comfortable.
I know, they are uncomfortable.
You know?
They're like
It's
cardboard.
Yeah,
It's hard,
it's
yeah.
just like not. It's
Practical.
not. It's not like Mercedes. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah, for sure. Mercedes is more like luxury, I guess, and
It's
then
like
BMW
more-
is supposed to be like more sporty. That's why it's not as comfortable, but you know,
Yeah.
it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be comfortable. This specific car, it's supposed to be like a race car model.
Yeah.
And then another question that I've been talking to my subscribers about: do you think I should keep this car or should I sell it and get something else? But keep the orange car. I wouldn't get rid of the orange car.
Okay, we'll keep the orange car, but
Yeah.
you can't have this and an orange car and something else. So like, I don't
Yeah.
know. Like, if you were to like get rid of this, like, what would you get? Like, I
I don't know.
an
I was
SUV?
thinking SUV. Yeah, like that's why I keep the orange car like for the sports car,
Yeah.
and then in the
and
SUV.
then something comfy.
Yeah, for
right?
sure, yeah. But
That's
like,
like-
what would you? Because the only thing I've been looking at is for sure like the Lambo SUV or the G-Wagon. What would you?
Well, obviously I would go with G-Wagon.
G-Wagon
Like,
over the Lambo SUV?
Mercedes, like it's comfy. You
Yeah.
know?
You see the little dog? Well, not little, not so little, but
Okay.
what kind of dog is that? I forgot
Okay,
what kind of dog.
I
What?
remembered. So another thing that like I really don't like about
What?
your car
What?
is the sounds. Like it's just so extra.
Obnoxious?
Like just shh. Like I just want quiet sometimes, you know? It's just like too much. Like too much sound. Let's talk about like the driveways and bumps. Like no, like it's so annoying. Ooh, I can't come over to that place because it's like the driveway. I can't, my car can't do it. Or if we're driving and all of a sudden you go slow and like for no reason just because of a bump, like it's so annoying.
Yeah, it is.
It's just, I can't deal. I literally cannot deal.
Having a lowered car, it's a pain in the butt. And
Yeah.
then, like I said, you can't really valet this car too much. So I always got to find like street parking and stuff like that. I can't really just give the valet guy the keys and just be like, yo, go park it. Cause I don't know how they're gonna drive it. I don't know how they're gonna be careful with this lip. Like, you know, like only I know, cause obviously it's my car and I know how to be careful with the lip. But yeah, just, there's a lot of pros and cons. No, but yeah, I understand where you're coming from,
Yeah.
but
you know what? Like, just be thankful for what you have always.
sure.
Like,
100%,
thank
always.
you, God. Like,
Sure.
it's such a blessing.
100%.
But yeah, I mean, you can always make improvements and changes. Not everything has to be permanent.
Yeah. Catch me in the Cullinan black badge, white with the orange guts.
What does that even mean, Kevin?
The Rolls Royce SUV. You like the Rolls Royce
What
SUV
are
or
you
no?
saying? Like, what does that mean? It's so pretty.
Yeah, it's a nice view.
So nice.
What I love about Malibu PCH, guys, is that you'll always see supercars and exotics and crazy cars. Like the GT3. Woo. And then we got the G82. Is that frozen black? It's manual. We gotta hit the canyon again, so hope you don't mind that.
I do mind.
She hates canyons, guys.
No, it's like relaxing time. Like I just like ate, drank. Like we're not doing that right now.
That's the only way to get back. What do you mean?
I'm sure everyone.
Oh, what do you want me to do,
below
fly
would
over?
agree, like we're not gonna do that.
There's no other way to get back
Okay.
other than the
No,
canyon.
I'm obviously I want to go back, but I'm just saying like normal.
Oh, you want me to go normal?
Like 35 miles per hour.
Huh?
35 miles per hour. 35.
Nobody goes 35
Well, you know what?
in a GTS.
Kevin, we're doing that now, so.
Comment down below. Should we follow the speed limit? Are you scared?
I mean, yeah, it's like dark and this is not okay.
Is this a sound you don't like?
Yeah, I don't like that sound at all.
It's obnoxious?
Very.
I know. It is kind of annoying.
I turned off.
Still recording. Oh,
I told you it's enough.
I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram.
Thank you. We had so much fun with you guys today.
Peace.